In this video, I will show you how to disable the SIM pin on your iPhone. The SIM pin is a security feature that protects your phone from unauthorized use. When it is turned on, you need to enter a PIN code every time you restart your iPhone or change the SIM card. While this can be useful for security, it can also be annoying if you don't want to enter the PIN each time. First, locate and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Cellular or Mobile Service, depending on your region's terminology. Once in the Cellular Settings menu, look for an option labeled SIM PIN. Tap on it to proceed. You will see that the current status indicates that your SIM PIN is enabled. To disable it, simply toggle off the switch next to SIM PIN. At this point, you will be prompted to enter your current SIM PIN in order to unlock this setting for changes. Remember, you have only 5 attempts before your device locks out this function. If at any point you encounter issues, such as forgetting your current SIM PIN, contacting your carrier may be necessary for assistance in resetting it. After entering the correct code, tap Done. And there you have it. Disabling the SIM pin on an iPhone is quick and straightforward when following these steps. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.